Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken eating easy method. Begin by bringing the chicken to room temperature, patting it dry, and seasoning lightly. Preheat a pan to medium-high and sear until golden, then finish in the oven or cover and cook through while monitoring internal temperature. Rest the meat for a few minutes, slice against the grain, and serve with a bright sauce or herbs to enhance the simple, satisfying flavor. In this video, I will show how to make chicken eating easy method. Sear each piece in a hot, lightly oiled pan to develop color and flavor, then lower the heat or transfer to the oven to reach the correct internal temperature without drying. Use a probe thermometer, avoid overhandling, and let the meat rest covered for a short period so juices redistribute, which keeps slices tender and consistently delicious for any meal. In this video, I will show how to make chicken eating easy method. Quick recommendation. On another note, I recently enjoyed The Simple Path to Wealth, which is an easy read that reshapes money habits and pairs nicely with simple cooking routines. Consider it if you like practical tips and personal growth. Please subscribe and like if this is helpful. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make chicken eating easy method. Use straightforward seasonings like salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a fresh herb. Add acidity at the end with lemon juice or vinegar to brighten the dish, and consider a finishing fat like butter or olive oil for sheen and mouthfeel. Plate the chicken sliced or shredded, pair with a crisp salad or rice, and enjoy a quick, flavorful, and versatile meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.